Counter-Strike 2 isn't natively built for Mac, but here's how you can still play it. Stay with me to the end because I'll show you the smoothest method most players overlook. Step 1. The easiest option is Boosteroid or GeForce Now. These cloud gaming platforms let you stream CS2 straight to your Mac without worrying about hardware. Just log in, link your Steam account, and you're instantly in the game. Step 2. If you'd rather install it locally, you'll need Boot Camp or a Windows VM. Boot Camp works best for Intel Macs. You partition your drive, install Windows, and then run CS2 through Steam like normal. For Apple Silicon Macs, your go-to is Parallels Desktop, which creates a Windows 11 ARM environment that runs CS2 surprisingly well. Step 3, optimize your settings. Drop your resolution a bit, disable motion blur, and prioritize FPS over graphics. This makes a huge difference in smoothness, especially if you're on a lower-end MacBook. If this worked for you, or if you found another way to run CS2 on Mac, let me know in the comments so we can help more players out. Here's a tip. If you're getting into CS2 this way, hit that like and sub so you never miss fixes, tweaks, and methods that keep you gaming without limits. Now, go dominate your matches, yes, even from a Mac.